This is Math Studies, Section 1.3, Rounding and Significant Figures. In terms of place value, the digit just to the left of the decimal is the ones place, sometimes called the units place. As we move to the left, we go to tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, and so on. To the right of the decimal, then, we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, millionths, 10 millionths, 100 millionths, and billionths, and so on. They follow the same pattern mirrored around the ones place or the units place. If you want to round to a specific place, like for example the thousands place, you would look at the digit in the next lowest place, and that would tell you if your value should round up or down. If the next digit is 0 to 4, you round down. That means the value stays the same. If the next digit is 5 to 9, then you round up. For example, if I wanted to round 182.483 to the nearest tenth, 4 is in the 10th place, so I consider the 8. This value is between 5 and 9, so my 4 should round up. My rounded value is 182.5. If I wanted to round 8,763 to the nearest tens, my 6 is in the tens place, so the next digit is 3. That's between 0 and 4, so I'd want to round down. That means the 6 stays where it is. I don't want to round up to the 7. When rounding with significant figures, we have a set of rules that helps us determine if a digit is significant. The first rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. So the number 3,284 has 4 sig figs. The number 83,628,394 has 8 sig figs. Every one of those digits are significant. None of those digits are 0. The second rule says sandwich zeros are significant. The number 3,903 has 4 significant figures. This 0 is a sandwich because it's between 2 non-zeros, so it is significant. 80,808 has 5 significant figures. Both of these zeros are sandwich zeros. The third rule says trailing zeros behind a decimal are significant. 39, as written, has 4 significant figures. These 2 zeros behind the decimal point are significant. The value 3.48 has 4 significant figures. The 0 is a trailing 0 behind the decimal, so it is significant. Our last rule says leading zeros are not significant. The value 0.003 has only 1 sig fig. The first zeros that you see are leading zeros. They only hold the place for that 3, so they do not count if we wanted to round to a specific number of sig figs. This value here has 5 sig figs. The first 2 zeros you see are leading zeros. They're not significant. This 0 is a sandwich 0 because it's between 2 non-zero digits, so that value is significant. The final 0 is a trailing 0, so that is significant. So the 39030 are our 5 significant figures.